Alright, looks like we're live, and we're going to be opening up 3 specially selected packs from Target 2018 Absolute Football. So let's get these numbered up real quick. And 20. Oh, it's really sloppy. Trying to. Alright. 18. Number 1. So that's 9, 20, 18. Number 1. Here we have pack number 2. And pack numero 3. It's a little squiggly. Alright. Pack number 1. Here we go. Looking for autograph, game worn jersey, rookies, here we go. Matthew Stafford, Russell Wilson. We got an introductions. It's kind of cool. Here's a rookie card, Terrell Edmonds. Jimmy Graham. Sean McCoy. Let's take a closer look at this. Introductions. Sam Arnold. Number INSD. Pretty cool. Jets. If you're a Jets fan, I suppose, be pretty cool. Nobody else really. Russell Wilson, I mean, it's probably like a $1 card, probably. Buy it now. Free shipping, I would imagine. Alright, so that was pack number 1. On to bag number dose. Here we go. Wish me luck. Let's see what we get. Oh, Kid Reporter, Super Bowl, yay. Ooh, nice. Le'Veon Bell, Steelers. Sharp looking card. Love that color on there. J.J. Watt next. Alex Smith. 3 pretty good hits. Here we go. Introduction. Saquon Barkley. Nice. Take a look at the back. Pause that if you want to read that. Alright, then we got a rookie. Jones. And that's it for that pack. Pretty cool though. Introduction insert. And the other first 3 pulls. Pretty nice. Nice on pack number 2. Pack number Trace. The sloppy Trace is gonna be the one. I feel it. I feel it. I know you guys in the comments are going to give me a hard time about pack opening, but it's the way I like to do it. So when you're buying them, you can do it however you want. There's Fitzgerald. Kirk Cousins. Really? Andy Dalton. Here you go. The 1-2 punch. Dak Prescott and Ezekiel Elliott. Cool card. Warner. Another frickin' Roethlisberger. As if we didn't already have enough. So, kind of a cool 1-2 punch. Took a look at the back. Nothing real special about it. Probably like a $1 card. Maybe $2 card. So, that's the end of that. Kind of mediocre packs, if you ask me. So stay tuned for the next video, because check these packs out. Let me just check this out. Here, hang on. Look. Okay, see what's going on here. See how fat these packs are? So that's what's an absolute football. And then next, we're going to open up some special 2018 Donruss football, the fat packs. And I'll explain what that is in the next video. So stay tuned for that. See you then, kiddies.